BashTime video. I wonder if this video will blow up like all my other ones did. A lot of them. Haha! But today in this video we're going to be playing the I Am Bird. My hands are pretty fuzzy. We got 100 weapons to try out in this video today. Okay. That's not gonna work. Oh gosh. This is oh god.
Fatal error. No bird found.
We're not gonna go crazy right now. We'll do that for later in the video. But we're a bird, so we can do whatever we want.
Shorter today.
Oh, I wonder how far I can go up. Stop kicking. You're probably terrified right now. Oh, that must hurt. Move out of the way! Go! I'm making a video! I'm making a video!
Now!
Let me hide! They still see me. Whoa, chill. Give me back to the gun! What? I just went through that. I just went. Wait. Whoa. Oh my god. They can't see me. What's this thing do? Let's try this weapon out.
All units, reset search.
Tempo. Late for nothing. Take that.
My car's flying. Oh my gosh. Okay, if I reviewed every single weapon, it would probably be like 30 minutes long. I know those videos aren't good, but my 20 to 50 is there. These are so cool. Okay, these items.
Lost contact.
Dynamite.
Returning to patrol.
Yeah, dynamite. Flood. Okay, let's see what this thing is.
These feet have a union. They voted snack.
Screw that! Not enough of this weapon. Next weapon. Tommy gun, man. Face gun. Get off me! Okay. Retreat. Ow. Papa, where's like a birdie? Am I really a birdie? Oh, of course not. Get out! Go! Ooh, landmine. Let's see what this is. Oh, wait. Say when you can't shoot after you can't choose. Do easy.
Clear.
Come on, no. Eating medium money. Mode, catch a pirates. So, landmine. Oh, fart. Will anyone step on it? Of course. Oh, God! I didn't expect it to work like that. Ow.
Mark last known and clear out.
Oh. Whoa.
Straight ahead. Everybody down now.
Blast.
I'm stuck. Get off. Down. Get off. Oh, God.
Push.
I'm stuck.
Airborne hostile engaged.
No, I'm not stuck.
Maintain cover.
Ow. Come on. I'm not gonna do that time. I'll do a short use of it if you guys that you want me to use the katana in the comments. Say
Target slipped. Hold positions.
go to the first channels you see and go to Mr. B's channel and then spam subscribe to BashTime and maybe we'll get all of his fans to subscribe to me. Maybe. I don't know. That's a guess. I don't know anything. Now all I know is that we're going to use these two weapons. They look very, very cool. A revolver?
Carry on. How's your day treating you?
Oh, there's a grip on. Whoa! My bird needs help! Yeah. Got you, homie! Got you, homie!
Show!
Oh! Oh!
License to
Oh!
kill!
Whoa. Go! Die! Yes. Get destroyed! Oh. Screw that! Oh. Wow! Oh, move! Ah! Get up! No! What just happened? Did I just die? I did. Okay. And this one. What the? Ah. Oh, it's more something.
Fetch this.
Oh, look, a boogie doll from Fortnite. Oh.
It's behaving nice.
Direction and sprint.
Going.
Die. Get destroyed.
With control.
Oh, I love this one. Ah. Get danced. Are they twins? Whoa, oh. I'm not gonna die again. Oh. No. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Move on.
Wow. No. And a short. This is a freeze gun. AK-47. Oh, you got snow on classic weapons, right? And you guys, if you're also watching this one,
Cardio unlocked against my will.
wait,
Stack. Return to squawker.
On your six.
you guys would know I'm a family friendly YouTuber.
Airmail.
My dog is doing something to my crops. enough of that. Gotcha, homie. No, how did you? Gotcha, homie. Gotcha, homie. Gotcha. Stop pulling out a gun. Gotcha, homie. Gosh.
Negative contact. Disengage.
Yee. Let's do this.
City hum fits my stride.
Engage. Stay back. Hope you duck.
Oh, we'll get back to the tent thing. Well. Yeah! Okay. If you guys enjoyed this BashTime video, please leave a like and subscribe to me. And comment. I would love a comment. I always love that feeling when I get one new comment. And if you go look on my text driver, it says there's an unknown YouTuber there. You should go sub to him. P. E. That not known YouTuber, which I'm hoping I won't be anymore after this video or my pets and stuff video. At the time of uploading, that video was probably has like one or two views full. Maybe 100. I don't know. Don't know when I'm uploading this. But we will do more shorts probably. Yeah, my own cat short would fail. I don't know. It was more used for video with this. So yeah, it kind of did show a bit. That's why you're hearing in the background going into just under my bed. Yeah, I felt this in my room. So if you guys want to see more BashTime, leave a like and subscribe. I do videos for fun, not because of views.
Attention citizens, the mayor speaks shortly in the central square. Attendance is strongly encouraged.
Wait, what is that sound?
Turn left or
Directive T-30. Proceed to the central square. Excuses will be accepted and tribute later.
No, get me up. Okay. Sub to BashTime!
Update. You are officially late. Move to the central square now. We'll pretend you were here the whole
On
time.
the video, when he comes out, and I beat the crap out of him. Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing. Oh! Oh. Oh. Oh my god, they're sending jets out! Okay, stop the bash shot. I'm gonna end the video because there are millions of people to die. So bye everyone.